Good morning. It is June the 27th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, what a night. Draghi picked up his microphone, said that inflation would return to Europe, that their current policies were intact, and at the last formal announcement they said that they could raise interest rates at the end of the year. So with the return of inflation, the ECB could raise interest rates at the end of the year. No need to own dollar-denominated stuff. Sell dollars, buy euros, buy European sovereign debt. And so the euro exploded to the upside. Treasuries and the dollar are lower. And the E-mini's off just a little bit, not a whole lot. So the E-mini's probably going to bounce off of support early this morning. The biggest news today will be Yellen speaks at 1 o'clock Eastern. So Yellen, we have another Fed governor speaking at 11 this morning, and then one comes in after Yellen. But the focus will be Yellen's speech. And has anything changed with her interest rate policies? Case-Shiller up 0.6. Consumer confidence 116.7. Richmond Fed 8. Case-Shiller number could come in higher. Consumer confidence could come in lower. Richmond Fed could come, I don't know where that would be, but based on recent economic news, that could come in lower. But the focus will be what Yellen says, and then the 5-year auction. So at some point, now we left yesterday's market looking for a place to sell, and we said 27s to 31s was where we wanted to sell, and you can see the high was 27. Why did we want to sell? Because the intermediate term auction is usually the weak one, and that's been the case today. Where's the buyers? Well, we're picking out a little bit lower today, but not breaking, so we've got 9 to 13 by 1. Not breaking because of the 5-year auction, and then 1 to 5 by 2. We were hoping to sell 19s to 23s, and then 27 to 31. But the sell may be 15. We're going to put a question mark at 15. So first move is lower. The market can sell into the 5 years. It does not have to rally up. It will have to rally up tomorrow on the 7-year if there's not a major piece of news or if Yellen doesn't change the market. Awakened to thunder this morning. We had rain all around us last night. None of it came in. And then this morning, kaboom. What's always interesting to me is Henry, nail guns and fireworks, does not like at all. But thunder, he won't even bat an eye when thunder's going off around him. Won't even raise his head. So go figure those two out. Maybe being chained to a tree in western Nebraska, he had to get used to thunder no matter what. And perhaps he was taunted or something with fireworks earlier. Don't know. Things how we haven't had him since he was a pup. Okay, 16 to 20, number 1. 23, 27, sell 1. Picking up this area right here. $31 to 03, sell 2. On the buy side, 4 to 8, number 1. So 29 to 01, buy 1. Let them get stops below 156. They wouldn't do that, would they? Sure they would. It's how they make their living. That's found money. These guys know how to shake the money tree. Okay, gold came back nicely overnight. Draghi says inflation is going to return. Buy gold. Pretty simple. Goldman came out yesterday and told everybody why they were bullish on gold. That could be a factor too. So, got sellers 53, 55, sell 1. 58.60, sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came from at 47, so 45, 47, buy 1. And back to our 40, 42 for buy 2. We've had lightning strikes within a half a mile that bounced us off the deck by a foot. I mean, that was beyond loud. Henry just rolled back over, but the lightning strikes here are within a couple of 3 miles this morning, if that's what you're asking, Reg. All because of global warming, of course, and we absolutely know that the globe is getting hotter, right? That's pretty easy to make those calls in June, July, and August. Boy, the euro exploded on Draghi's comments. Draghi can move the market 100 to 200, 1 to 2 points. And the overnight low was, say, 1230. And we're almost 100 points. So I imagine we'll go up. So we'll make 1330 to 40, sell 1. 50 to 60, sell 2. On the buy side, 113 even, buy 1. Yellen speaks at 1 Eastern, so. And then 1275 buy 2. And she could change things, but you know, normally they move in concert. Crude oil is higher, supposedly off of Chinese comments, and I could not run down that specific comment, but supposedly that's what took crude oil up for the 4th day. We have the APIs tonight and the EIA inventory report tomorrow. So right here, when we come back, I mean, it's just pretty hard to miss the selling, the spill from basically 44.25. So 44, 44.25, sell 1. 44.50, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 43 1/4, 43.50, buy 1. And then 42.75, 43, buy 2. Looks like we got a buyer below 43 now. And $2 to $3 range would take us into that 46 area, give or take. $2 takes us to 44. $3 takes us to 45. So 45, 46 is probably pretty stout resistance right now given the current supply situation. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible.